Grabe. Sinalubong kami ng ulap.
Ulap. Hello, good morning, Philippines! Nandito kami ngayon sa Malaysia. Unang umaga namin dito sa Malaysia. Nandito kami ngayon sa Swiss Gardens Hotel. Tingnan nyo, it's 7:30 dito sa Malaysia. Ganun din dyan sa Philippines. Tingnan nyo, eto, ginaganan ko yung kamay ko. Ulap ang sumalubong sa amin ngayong umaga. Dito kami sa terrace. Tingnan nyo, wala kaming makita sa kabila. Puro ulap. Ayan.
Yes. Literally, you can touch the clouds. Ay, malamig siya, no? Malamig.
Malamig. Kaya nga cloud ito. Cloud.
Malamig siya.
Walang makita o walang maaningan. Walang maaningan sa kabila. Parang naka-aircon. Ayan, hanggang doon. Kung kapal ng ulap. Hindi mo makikita yung mga building sa kabila. Nasa 32nd floor kami.
Oh, wow.
Nakatakot. Hindi ko makuha tingnan yung baba. Nanginginig ang tuhod ko.
Oh, wow. Super ganda. Lumalabas na yung bundok.
Ayan, clear na talaga. Diba? Ayun yung top ng building.
Minuli ka.
At mataas siya.
Umakit na sila. Umakit na. It's the first time ni Mother mag-buffet dito sa Swiss Garden. Vegetarian corner. Ito yung mga main course. Main dish dito. Fruits dito. Tsaka bread again dyan. Ito nang gawa ng eggs na egg station. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Daming handa, no? Happy birthday, Mother. Ito ang iyong gift. Yes.
Wow, what's this?
It's a lucky charm.
It's a lucky charm. That's 24 karat gold.
Wow.
A dragon, yes. It is.
This is a gold and
Yes.
this is a lucky charm?
Taka jewelry. See? Taka jewelry.
Chinese belief na.
Sakto sa'yo.
It's from China din
Ay.
also.
I love this one.
Dami mong handa. Nagpa-catering pa kami. Oh.
Thank you.
Cut the
Okay, cut the cake. It's HB.
Thank you. Wow, happy birthday, Mama. Kainin mo na yung pinat mo.
Kain mo na yung kinat
I
mo.
don't have tinito.
Different chocolate, just dip is nice.
Deep on the chocolate.
Yes.
Wow.
Yum yum.
Thank you,
so
Mother.
much.
Appreciate it.
Nice.
Thank you.
Happy with the chocolate dip. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very cold. Oh my God. So malamig.
The music. Hindi excited si Mother.
There's no other time. Malamig. Hey, let's take some ride.
Principal Leia in Genting Skyward Theme Park. Let's go in.
I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it.
May
I'm about to
pasing-sing
lose
pa.
control and I think I like it. Pagsisimula na ang aming rides. Woo! A whole new world. New world.
So much fun! So much fun! Woo!
Ako din yung langit.
Para kang nasa Japan or wala ka sa Asia. Ice Age. Ito yung isa natin nasakyan. Ice Age.
Ice baby.
Ice baby.
Ice baby.
Oh my!
Mamaya na tayo picture. Magnamnamin mo muna.
I'm so excited talaga.
Which part of America are we in right now?
We're in Antarctica.
Antarctica.
That's not part of America.
Oh no!
North Pole.
No, no! Oh my goodness, would you look at that? 2, 1, go! Oh! Yan, mama yung pupuntahan natin.
Sakay kayo sa
Sakay natin yan. Lahat yan, man-made.
Okay. Compliments. Crazy love. Can't imagine dancing without you. You're not right dancing next to me.
Sana ano daw si Nana?
Cover!
Pwede pa tayo mag-isa dito.
Bars to live forever.
Wanna live forever here.
And look around. Always believe. Thank you so much for making our boat tour a success.
Welcome to
Yeah, bye!
Huwag mo muna up and down, hindi mo sa akin sinasabi. May cambio dyan, sa gilid mo, sa baba, sa upuan.
Sagit!
Para umakit ka.
Para kaya taas ka, para ma-enjoy mo. Makita mo yung view sa taas. Sige, oh! Woo! Baba naman, baba ka naman, baba.
Nothing like learning on the job, huh? Let's drop down.
Tingnan mo yung kapaligiran. Tumaas ka, tumaas ka. Oy, tubig! God, I love you! Asa si mother?
Listen to my track and avoid your sneaky attacks. The Morgans will try to
Look, look, mother! Tingin ka naman dito. Yes!
Awesome! Awesome!
Dito na kami sa Antarctica.
Enjoying! Masaya, masaya!
Two pa tayo dun eh. Sa picture mo tayo dito na.
Yay! Oh, nasa loob tayo ng cave. Pero coffee cave.
Ah,
Ayun, doon. At Ian. Ito. Another ride for Madam Leia.
Ay, sarap dito. Ang sarap ng hangin. Suabe siya. Gusto ko dito.
connections would become damaged.
Hello! Hi!
Tubig. Lahat.
Ice Age.
Inside the vehicles at all times. Remember to stop all recycling.
Kaya naman natin. Sulit ang paghihintay namin sa roller coaster ride. Napaka-extreme, grabe. Hindi kaya ni Camille. Laki. Hindi kaya sakmalin ang bibig ko kaya kinuha ko.
Oh, yes. Laki ng burger. Laki ng burger. Ganda ng ilaw. Wow!
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm scared of heights. That's why.
Just scared. Just enjoy the view, right? That's right. The best part. No? Okay lang. Ang bagsak natin na tayo sa outlet nga daw.
Can we stop here?
No. Last station tayo.
Mama, smile.
I really am. I'm scared.
Are you scared?
I am.
Another station.
Yeah.
Maraming haba. Manat, look at the view.
Where's the
佢有個電梯啊，你喺度。
Ito lang yung lalakarin. Ay, ayan na tayo.
早啲嚟啦。
Oo, lalo na sa
Saan ba tayo galing?
Yes.
Dinaanan natin yun.
Hello!